Hi, this is Jeremy Bradshaw from MarineMax in Venice. This is one of my new listings. This is a beautiful 2023 Sea Ray 320 Sundancer. So what we're going to do, kind of go through the boat, point out some of the cool features on it. So this is going to be your quantum blue right here. Particular seller does keep it in the water here at MarineMax. The boat is bottom painted. So this one has the twin 350s on the back. These are joystick piloting as well. So when you're docking the boat, it makes it much easier. You also have your autopilot built into that, which I'll get into in just a little bit. So on the 320, it's been a super popular boat. So it's great for, you know, a large family, or even if you're just kind of cruising around. It gives you seating in the front of the boat, tremendous amount of seating in the back of the boat. So we'll kind of go through, I'll pick out some of the cool options. This one has your aft sunshade that comes all the way out, which is super popular. On top, we do have our radar there. Now, it does have an aft drop curtain. I just have it off for the video right now. Of course, we've got air conditioning, generator, shore power. This particular one has the sea deck all the way through. And for entertaining and things like that, that's what the 320 is made for. So if you're taking a bunch of friends out and stuff like that, this boat works out really, really nice. So we've got our grill right here. This is an option right here. There's the canvas, but you've got nice U-shaped seating in the back. This is our aft sunshade that comes out. Comes out about I don't know, 8 or 9 feet, but it gives you a lot of shade from the sun, things along that line. This is a super popular option. Now this coupe does have the opening right here. They make it 2 different ways. This is the more popular way that they make this on this particular boat with the windshield. Here at the dash, we got twin 12-inch Simrads. We were talking about our joystick piloting. This is this right here. So if you want to spin it to the left, spin it to the right, takes all the guesswork out of it for docking. Also built into that is going to be your autopilot. These are your new style gauges right here from Mercury. So these are very, very user-friendly. This one also has automatic trim tabs on it. Very, very well equipped. So we were talking about entertaining before. When you come up front, real easy to get all the way around the boat. We've got the windlass up here. As you notice, the sea deck is very nice all the way around. So we can raise and lower this from the helm. We can raise and lower it from right here. That's one nice feature of the boat. Nice guardrails all the way around for safety, especially if you have small children. We've got our spotlight right here, so if you're coming in at night, that comes in very, very handy. And then tons of lounge area right here. So that's what's been really popular over the last, I don't know, 5 or 6 years, is instead of just having, you know, a ton more cabin space, it gives you the entertaining up here. So if you wanted to hang out and get some sun or whatever while you're cruising along, that works out very nice. Now, we talked about the boat does have a generator on it, about 78 hours on the generator. It does have air conditioning for the cabin as well as cockpit air conditioning. And our Verados back there have about 69 hours on them. When you come down the cabin, everything's a really nice layout. You've got your V-berth right here. These are some of the seller's personal items. Nice TV in the back. You can sleep 2 fairly comfortably back there. And once again, some of the owner's personal items. And then fully enclosed head right here. This one has overboard discharge, dockside discharge. So very, very nice boat. The 320 Sundancer is probably one of Sea Ray's most popular model. So again, my name's Jeremy Bradshaw. I'm the listing broker, and the boat's located here at MarineMax in Venice. If you'd like to give me a call, feel free. My number is 941-376-3345. Thanks again for taking the time. Hope to talk to you soon. Bye.